Hey everybody, so I got yet another bizarre telephone. This is my year of the telephone. I have acquired so many weird telephones that it's becoming a bit of a mental problem. Anyway, so what I have here is a telephone from Hungary, from Budapest, Hungary. I'm guessing it's from the 1960s, but if any phone collectors out there know what these are or who made them, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment. It's got this kind of typical mouthpiece design that I've seen on a lot of older European phones, and it's a little crusty, you know. This is very ornate. I'm a little surprised these Bakelite little ears aren't busted off because, you know, this is probably the first thing to go. But it's in pretty nice shape given its age. It's got a little kind of crustiness to it. But I don't see any visible marks from the maker. And hi, kitty kitty. Hello, you gonna come help out? Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You're very helpful, kitties. Yeah, if anyone has any idea where these were made, production dates, anything, I just don't see anything. Now, I know for a fact it's from Hungary because it was hand-delivered from Hungary. And I had a couple of people tell me that they have seen these, but they didn't really know where or the exact time frame. So, interesting piece, kind of neat with this ornate, you know, rest for the head, the handset part. Anyway, any info, greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. Look at this sweet face. Say bye, kitty.